And welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will begin with the Euro versus US dollar first. What we have here is the strong downside momentum that is going on the Euro dollar. Basically, dollar index is really on the strong upside momentum, which is really helping the Euro to go downside because of that inverted relation with the dollar index. So we can see here in the weekly time frame, market is really trying, and there is a potential for the further downside movement towards the 1.0520 and 1.0445, because we have the lows from the weekly time frame from end of October and I will say beginning of October last year. So this will be the next downside objective short term on the euro dollar. On the hourly time frame here, as you can see, we have the lower highs and lower lows. Market is respecting declining 10 and a 20 bar moving average on the hourly time frame. So there is a chance for a stronger and a bigger downside movement in the next period on the euro dollar. Now let's take a look at the dollar index, because we have a inverted coloration. Dollar index is really just striking to the upside, and the next upside reference point on the dollar index is at around 107.12, and we also have around 107.27. So still space for the upside movement. Hourly time frame is holding very well this 50 and 20 bar moving average. We have the rising moving averages, and it looks like there is a pretty good odds for the upside movement towards at least 107.15 mark on the dollar index. On the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we're testing key support levels. So I will just mark here on the daily time frame. You can see also here that the key support is a 61,000 mark. If the market can break a 61,000 mark and hold below, that will be a good sign for the further drop, and then the downside objective will be around 56,000 and then 53,000 mark on the Bitcoin versus US dollar. So pay attention to the potential breakout mode on the Bitcoin to the downside. Now gold market had really like a reversal candle that we had from 2 trading days ago. Strong pin bar, strong tail, and because of that, there is a chance for a further downside movement. Yesterday, there was a reaction from the buyers around 23.24, but if the market can retake this 23.24 and hold below, take the pin bar low, then there will be a chance for the further downside movement towards the 22.85 or even 22.65 mark. For anything meaningful upside, I would like to see the breakout to the pin bar high from other side around 24.31, and if the market can hold above that level, then that will be a good sign for the further upside movement. But this is a serious sign of weakness that happened last week, and this can result in next period market to eventually try to do the deeper pullback on the gold market. We have a crude oil market which is basically held a 20-day rising moving average, and that was a nice hold there at that point, but still market is in a consolidation and the resistance at 87.90 mark and support around 84.10. So I would like to see the breakout of this consolidation, the further downside break of this 84 mark and hold below can be a good sign for a further drop towards 81 mark and the rising 50 bar moving average. From other side, if market can break and hold above 88, there will be a chance for 90 mark to be on the test. And on the NASDAQ 100, what we can see here is there was a downside break, and this is a consolidation that is taking, that is developing for many weeks at this point, and we had a downside break yesterday. So there is a chance for a further downside movement towards a 17,400 mark and then a 17,150 mark. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you tomorrow morning.